So I got this package from Caregenia. Ultrafine activated coconut charcoal. So I drink a lot of coffee and I have blueberries in my protein shakes every day. So I get a little bit of staining on my teeth, and I don't typically like using bleach for my teeth because I feel like it's really bad for the enamel and the integrity of the tooth. They're doing a giveaway on their social media right now. I'll put the details below, but for now I'm gonna give this a try. So opening up the kit, it looks like they have everything included. They have your toothbrush, the activated charcoal, and the floss. And of course they give you this pro shade guide, which kind of makes me feel bad. I feel like if you're at this bottom of the brown looking guide, I feel like you should have gotten this kit probably years ago. All right, it's a very beautiful looking natural bamboo toothbrush. You guys ready for this? This might get messy, but it's worth it. It says the next step is to floss your teeth. So we're gonna floss our teeth. And it comes with this handy little pack of flossers. I really like the idea of activated charcoal for whitening your teeth. I really liked it. I highly recommend this company. If you guys wanna check out the giveaway that they're doing, I will post the details in the description below. Right now you can only find Caregenia on Amazon.com. Otherwise, check out my caption below on how to win your teeth whitening kit.